Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals, Father's Day deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, starting here, we got some Milwaukee clothing here. Long sleeves, some hats. Then we are moving on to the Milwaukee. This is the front of the store. $197. You got the Inksaw job site markers. Pack of 2. $3.48 for the color. Pack of 4. So you guys see there, you got the black ones. And then you got a 12 pack for $9.97. You got a chalk reel kit, $19.97. 2 different colors, 2 different shocks. Reels. It's a really nice kit. Definitely check it out if you're on the trades. $14.97 for the 2-piece fastpack, or the 75-piece general purpose ×2, or the pliers. That's the utility blades, pack of 2, so 75 each. And that's the screwdrivers, the 11-in-1, pack of 2. So nice screwdrivers with some bits. And then that's the tape measure to the right. So you buy any of these 3 and you get the 4th for free. So definitely check it out. And you got the slim pack out organizer, $39.98. The low profile, that's what they call it. And that's the pack out, the rolling toolbox with the slim, what it looks like. I believe Ace Hardware does have a deal where you buy the pack out and you get the slim, the low profile for free. That's the 13-piece hole dozer, $39.99. $29.97 for the Shockwave Red Helix Titanium, and $24.97 for the 50-piece Shockwave Impact Duty drive set. You got some 2-inch, you got 3 drill bits, magnetic sleeve, some 1-inch bits. You got some nut drivers there to the right. That's the titanium. And that's the 2-pack of battery, the 3.0s, for $99. Got a compact brushless 1/2-inch drill driver kit, and then an impact driver to the right. That's the 2-pack, and that's the drill driver kit there. And you got impact driver, drill driver, or you can get the top off inverter for $149. That's the pack out vac. You can get that for free with the $299 battery kit promo. So you pay the $299 and you get to have the batteries and the tool. Same thing with this. This is the rocket light. I do have this light. This thing's awesome, especially if you're camping, if you have a big yard. Gets real dark. That's a good. You got the impact wrench, the 8.0 amp hour battery, or you can get the angle grinder free with the purchase of that $299 battery deal, high output. Now there's a bunch of stuff on the way. This Home Depot is actually a mess. $299. Those are the deals that you guys get. 2 different deals. You got the $199 deal and the $299 deal. Those are the tools that you guys could choose from. So like I said, that's the pack out. That's the $199 deal on the top. Those are the tools you guys could choose from. Then you got some more deals here to the right. Some combo kits, some lights at the bottom. So feel free to pause this if you want to look at them. Alright, so that's the $199 deal that you can get. Basically, it'll get you any of those tools down there. Like I said, this Home Depot's a mess, so disregard that. At least this is a little bit more organized. That's the $299 kit that you're supposed to get, and you get one of those tools for free. So get one of those free at the bottom. $149, so you can get either, with the $199 kit, you guys could get either of those tools, the drill driver or the impact driver, the search. That's the rubber light for $169. You guys could get that for free too, or the oscillating tool or the sander for the $199 with the $199 kit. $34.88 for the 7-piece oscillating tool blades. Then you got the reciprocating saw blades, 1997. Then you got the wet and dry vacuum, the M12 for 179. That's the filter for any of the Milwaukee vacs. I do have this filter. I believe it's washable, so if you get an extra one, you can wash the other one and, you know, keep using it, vice versa like that. Then you got a pack of 2 batteries for $99. 2 3 amp hour batteries. You got a hacksaw or impact driver drill driver for $99. You got a 5-tool combo, $199. A 2 pack of batteries, $69. They're 1.5s, they're really small. You got the XC 4.0 battery system or starter system, $79. Does come with one big battery, or yeah, you could say that's a big battery. Then you got the 8-piece Shockwave 3/8 drive impact socket set, $34.97. They don't have any, but they do have this light. It's 475 lumen. It is rechargeable. These are not rechargeable, just keep that in mind. These are battery operated lights. So $29.97. That's the headlamp there. Then you got the safety glasses, the clear. You got the pack of 4 to the right, and you got the single pack there. So the pack of 4, $21.97. Single pack, $7.97. Then you buy any of these kits to the left, you get a battery for free. So you can get the $229 kit impact driver drill driver. You get the ratchet, you can get the installation driver, you can get the hacksaw kit, you can get the cutoff tool, you can get the Bluetooth speaker, $119, and get that battery for free. Yeah, guys, I found this deal, $119, guys, from $169. It's an 8 amp hour and a 3 amp hour high output battery for $119. This is the only deal I've been, ever since everybody kept posting those battery deals for like $65, for $70. This is the only deal I came up with, you know, that it's worth buying actually. So I ended up picking up this deal. So $19.88 for the 40-piece with the right angle adapter. That's the 40-piece there. You got some 2-inch bits. You got a tic-tac plate case there with a lot of bits, a lot of 1-inch bits there. And then you got some drill bits. And then that's the right angle bits. That by itself, it's more than $20. And, you know, basically with this kit, you get all those bits for free. Because just the right angle itself, it's more than $20. $5.97 for the circ saw blades. $19.97 for those combination wrenches. Then you got a pack of 2 or 16 ounce steel curved claw hammer. Looks pretty nice. Then you got the clearance section here. You got a DeWalt. Looks like a framing nailer. $249. 21 degree. And you got a circ saw there. $129. It is corded. And then you got a 22-piece diamond tip socket and ratchet set. That's not the price. I was looking for the price, but I couldn't find it. So you would have to scan it, I guess. And then that's a laser, $349. It's a cross point laser. I believe it's green. Milwaukee. And then again, you guys can look at the prices. If your Home Depot has it, make sure you guys scan this. Because sometimes these prices are not what they say. It's actually lower. $756 for the 3.5-inch T15 5-piece. Then you got $606 for the 2-inch 5-piece. And then you got these, which I didn't see any price for these. $149 for the cordless power cleaner. Which, to tell you the truth, I personally do not like this item. A lot of you out there like them, but I would rather just get a pressure washer, or, you know, wait for these tool companies to come out with a pressure washer with battery operated, you know. So $99 for the 230 piece. This is a pretty good deal, especially if you got a dad, brother, somebody that you want to give them, a son. Pretty complete kit here. It has a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and then you got some deep sockets and some shallow. You got this is the DeWalt deals. You got to buy one get one free. So you buy the battery kit there on the top for $99. You get any of those tools for free. So you get a choice of the screw gun, the sander, or the oscillating tool. I do have that. I had to have the oscillating tool from Atomic, just like that one. It's awesome. It's really good. It's really powerful, and it's smooth. I've used other ones from other companies. They're not good. I would rather use Atomic from DeWalt. That's the screw gun there for the drywall screw gun. That's the sander, and then you got the impact driver, drill driver, Atomic there. That's the deal that they have for $159. As you guys did see that up above. So lots of great deals, especially for somebody that's just want to get into this line. And you got the 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries. And I believe I didn't see a price for this, but I believe they are 150, 149, something like that. And you got $99 for the impact driver kit, Atomic. Then you got this smaller kit here, 10 piece. It's like a drill driving set, drill set. Looks like a black and gold. Then you got the $349 for the 21-degree framing nailer, $349 for the 16-gauge angled nailer. There's the finish. That's the framing nailer. And these are all battery operated, guys. So they're catching up. And then you got the 18-gauge brad nailer kit there. $269. So guys, they're catching up. Let me know if you guys can have any of those tools or any of these tools that you like them. If you like them, or if you don't like them, let us know too. If you guys got any of the tools shown today in the video. This is a nice set there, 4-piece DeWalt. $19.88 for the 2-pack Fat Max. You guys know Fat Maxes are pretty much standard on the construction field. This is one of the best out there in the field. $14.88 for the kneeling pad. I gotta pick some of these up, because every time I'm doing work on my knees, it's just killing me. And I'm not the lightest person ever, so I need something like this bad. I should have just picked it up. Because, you know, when you're ever going to get under a sink, you know, fix it, your DIY, whatever you have to do, or maybe do a brake job or something on the vehicle, you're going to be using your knees. You got a homeowner's tool set Advil. Looks like a pretty nice case. And then you got $24.97 for the Pro System gear 10 compartment organizer from Rigid. Now this is a really nice, huge, thick, very heavy duty. $99 for the Pro Chest combo kit or combo box, whatever you want to say. 22 inches, so you get all those 3 pieces. It says compatible with the small parts organizer. I don't know if that's included or not. The small parts organizer, maybe you have to buy it separately. But those 3 are included on that $99 deal. And they are pretty rugged, let me tell you. They do have some weather stripping there, so I believe these are IP, so they're splash proof. Don't think exactly they're waterproof, but maybe they might be splash proof. Got a backpack here with a nice rubber base at the bottom. $6.88 for the 16-inch toolbox. This is a pretty good deal if you got, you know, small toolbox for the truck. You know, put all your grab and go type of, you know, maybe junkyard type of tools in here, and then just take them with you in case you get stranded. You know, it's a really nice toolbox. Even you can use it for other things like ammo, or, you know, just storing screws and stuff like that. $3.99. This is a really good deal. 8-piece combo kit with 3 amp hour batteries. It does have one brushless tool. That is the impact wrench right there in the middle without the battery. This is a really good kit. Definitely check it out. Then you got the X-Lock. You buy one of the X-Locks, you get a 5 amp hour battery for free. Then you got the starter kit here to $119. And then you can get the $3.99 kit with 2 tools, 2 batteries, 5 amp hour battery, and you can get a free X-Lock grinder. So, and you guys could hack this too. I don't know if you guys know about the hack, but you guys could, if that's what you want to do, you guys could do it. Pretty much returning the tool that you don't want and keep the other two at a discounted price, if that's what you want to do. I personally think these are all great deals. I would definitely keep all of them if you can, because those are really good deals. And then you got the wheels here. They're on sale. So this is the time to pick up all these wheels. I believe all these wheels will fit your standard grinders. So you don't have to have an X-Lock for these. So you can pick them up and use a regular grinder on these wheels. Those are the batteries. That's the X-Lock on the right. So they got 2 different types. They got a paddle shifter and a slider, I believe. A slider and a paddle shift. So those are the 2 types that they have. So it just depends on what you want to get. You got the 9-piece Speed Demon. I did not have any prices for these. It's just like they just pulled these out. Then you got the 2-piece blade value pack. Framing nailer. Or framing for framing. $14.97 for the 6-piece bimetal reciprocating saw plus 4 blades. So this is a really nice kit here. Does come with a nice case. And there's only a few available here, so it says 4 free blades. So definitely check it out. Time to stock up if you're doing a lot of demo. $19.88 for the 5-inch 50-pack discs. Sanding discs. Then you got $4.98 for the Blaster multi-purpose lubricant with Pearl Straw. Then you got the buy one get one free from Joby. As a matter of fact, I just picked one of these deals up, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for you guys, so you guys will look at the batteries and the tools. All right, those are all the tools you guys can get. The best tools are at the bottom. That's the more money for your buck here for the free. So you got the chainsaw there. It's an 8-inch chainsaw. You got the blower. You got the edge trimmer. You got the power source inverter. You got the fan. You got the Alright, so you got $59 for circ saw. You got $59 for impact driver. You got the $59 for the hammer drill. You get all these tools for free with that kit. So definitely check it out. You can get any of these tools free with the batteries too. So these are more tools you guys can get for free. All these. So for somebody that doesn't have any tools and or is on the Ryobi line, this is a pretty good deal. And then you guys can hack this too if you guys want to return the batteries and just keep the tools. If that's what you want to do, like I said, all these are great deals. If you're on the line, this is a great deal. If you're starting out and something inexpensive like Ryobi, this is for the DIY strictly. So that's the chainsaw for $89.97. That's the inverter there for $59.97. That's the blower, and that's the edge trimmer. I do have that edge trimmer. It works really good. It's $99. But if you buy this kit, it drops down to basically $50 a piece. So yeah, those are definitely great deals. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.